Welcome, everybody. It's great to see you all. My name is Fred. I'm a professor here in the math department. And I wanted to start us off by thinking about uh, two interesting puzzles that turn out to be related. So the first puzzle is this. I'm going to just go ahead and share my screen here. The first puzzle is, let's imagine that you want to connect these four towns with a road. So you want to do it so that all four towns you could get from no town is an island, no town is isolated. You just want to connect these four towns. But you want to do it on the cheap, so you don't want to build too much road. In other words, you want to minimize the amount of road that you're building. So that's one puzzle, right? And we might think, well, maybe the best way to do this is to build a square, right? But there's actually a shorter way to do it. It's that, just build an X. And it turns out there's actually a shorter way even. You could connect these four towns using less road even than when you build an X. And it may seem surprising, but actually the shape looks more like that. It's this wild looking shape. This is the shape that minimizes the amount of roads that connects these four towns. And so our first puzzle is like, why is it that shape? And how could we ever find that shape? And the second puzzle is this. You might know that when you blow a bubble, they always have this very familiar shape. You blow a bubble and it always expands out and it looks like a sphere. So the second puzzle is, why do bubbles make a sphere? Why do they always look like a sphere? So it turns out those two puzzles are related, and we're gonna, hopefully, I'm looking forward to talking to you all about those two puzzles. But to give you a sense of why we think those two puzzles are related, I want to blow a bubble really quick. So I'm going to take my camera over here. All right, so here I have this wireframe of a cube, and I'm going to dunk it in this bubble solution. And before I do that, I just want you to think to yourself, like, what do you think is going to happen when I dunk this cube into this bubble solution? And here we go. Dunk it in the bubble solution. And let's see, I'll bring it out. And let's see if we can see what it looks like there. So anyway, these two puzzles, it turns out, are connected. Why do bubbles form the particular way they form? And how do we make the shortest path between four towns turns out to be a connected problem.
Fred, this whole thing just seems contrived because you love this problem. I love this problem, but we didn't really coordinate it this way. So I'm curious, how did you get interested in the soap film problem?
I got interested in the soap film problem for the reason why I get interested in basically all math problems, which is that it is beautiful and puzzling and unexpected and perplexing. So I just wanted to, it's a perplexing thing. Like, why does it form that way? And how is it related to the sphere that most bubbles form? And how is that related to the town problem? The relationships are beautiful and perplexing, and that's what makes me interested.